Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Govee Floor Lamp 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Govee Floor Lamp 2, but you're getting rid of it. Maybe you don't use it enough. How do you actually go ahead and delete it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Govee Home app. Next, click on your Govee Floor Lamp 2. Then on this option here, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Now scroll down and then click on delete device. Now it's going to ask you to confirm if you want to go ahead and delete this device. Click on yes, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your Govee Floor Lamp 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.